Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on page 174 of your student journal, page 174. And our objective today says, today I will compare numbers and identify which number is less or equal. So today we're going to compare numbers and we're going to look for which number is less and which numbers are equal. Okay, so let's look at our words. Equal means the same. 6 and 6 are equal to each other. They're the same. Okay, or we have greater and more. Remember, these words mean the same thing. So 8 is circled because 8 is greater than 6, or we could say 8 is more than 6. And then down here, we have the words less and fewer. Those words mean the same thing. So 6 is circled because 6 is less than 8, or 6 is fewer than 8. And then we have our number line. And our number line, remember, if we use our hands, my left hand, whatever's on the left hand is less. L-E-S-S. Left hand is less. Okay, so boys and girls, our steps are the same that we keep practicing. Our first one says we're going to identify, which means find each number on the number line. And then we're going to determine what number is on the left using our left hand to help us. This number is less than the other number. And then determine what is on the right. That would be our other hand. This number is greater than the other number. So I'm going to show you what this looks like, boys and girls. Here's my first problem. And it says, circle the number that is less. Which one is less? And they gave me a 9 and a 7. I'm going to find those on my number line. They gave me a 9 and they gave me a 7. Okay, which one's less? If I put up my hands, this is my left hand. So which one's closer to my left hand? Which one's on the left side of the number line? This one. So this is my less, and this one is my greater. So 7 is less than 9, and 9 is greater than 7. But what is my question asking? They want to know which one's less. So which one should we circle? We should circle the 7. Okay, let's look at our next question. Circle the number that is less than the first number. Okay, this one's a little tricky, so watch this, boys and girls. My first number is a 9. I'm going to show you that on my number line. This is my first number. It's a 9. I'm going to put a big box on it. Okay, and they want to know which one of these is less than that. So is 10 less or is 8 less? Well, left means less. So which one is on the left? The 8 or the 10? Do we see how it's the 8, friends? So I'm going to circle the 8. Okay, boys and girls, let's do some of those together. We are on page 174. Page 174, and here's our first problem. Circle the number that is less. They want us to circle the number that is less. And they gave us a 10 and a 9. So let's look down here. Let's find them. I see a 10 and I see a 9. Which one is less? Which one is closer to my left hand? Isn't the 9 closer to my left hand? So the 9 is less. That means the 10 is greater. So I could say 9 is less than 10, or I could say 10 is greater than 9. But the question wants us to circle the one that's less, so which one should we circle? We should circle the 9. Let's circle the 9, boys and girls. Okay, let's look at our next question together. It says, circle the number that is equal to the first number. Here's my first number. Which one of these is equal? this number that's an 8 or this number that's a 6? And this is a 6. Which one's equal? Okay, boys and girls, I hope you circled this one. All right, have a wonderful day and keep practicing. Bye-bye.